to tell you about what is Hotels.com. It's basically a travel booking engine which millions of users use it every day, and they try to book their travel bookings for different countries, right from Europe to America to Asia.
Expedia is essentially a portal from which people can book flight tickets, hotels, car rentals, and so on, complete travel packages.
Both Hotels.com and Expedia are the maintenance projects.
Mastech handles the offshore part of these backend system maintenance. We get different enhancement as well as bug fixing requirements, and we analyze what systems these bugs or enhancements affect, and we end up fixing code changes or creating new code for that, and then we pass it on to the on-site people for integration into the main system.
We are working for all the latest technologies here, like Microsoft ASP.NET, then C#, then Visual Basic, ASP.
SQL Server 2000, 2005 reporting services and integration services.
We have a lot of facilities and services which actually help us do these tasks efficiently.
We have access to something called as information repository, which is more of a library. Can have all technical books are available on that. And we can have CDs for that, any software CDs which you require.
We have a process group which helps us in maintaining all our processes, sees that we are on track, and in our day-to-day activities we don't go off track and miss out on processes. We have the TIS, the networking or the technology infrastructure group, which sees that workstations are in place.
These like Hotel.com, Expedia team, these have led by project leaders having very good technical skills, as well as they have a project management background.
My team basically is of 14 people at offshore and 2 people at on-site.
With a project leader having around 10 years of experience, he's a mentor for all of us. And we have a module leader with around 7 years experience. The rest all are just in the range of 3 to 5 years experience.
We have a total 6-member team here. One is the project manager, project leader, then 2 senior developers, and 1 backend developer, database developer, and 1 new joinee that we had just taken. He's a trainee.
We have a good mix of youngsters with a lot of enthusiasm, bubbly characters, and experience to temper them out and see that we don't make glaring mistakes.
Working on the back-end part is itself a challenging, writing new queries, and every time a new problem, a new issue comes, and then to resolve that is itself a challenge for us.
It is good fun. We get to know a lot more things about how such portals operate. I had personally, before coming to this project, no idea that when I put in my credit card on a website, so many systems are involved to take it to fruition.
The project work culture is simply amazing. I mean, the project leader having an experience of 10 years and the developers having just 3 years, he comes down to their level and explains them.
I find a lot of reflection from the customers, like in terms of appreciation from all the senior management from the Expedia and Hotel.com, which shows that the project is doing very well and we are under control.
The environment as well as the work provided seems to encourage you to go on and try for more.
As Mastech's caption goes, we make a valuable difference. It definitely has made a valuable difference in my life at least, and I'm sure many of the Mastechers would agree to that.
I'm really proud to be working with Metasco.